What's up guys, I'm going to show you in this video how to fix Mortal Kombat sound problem easy and quick. So open the settings of your device first, click on apps option and search for Mortal Kombat and click. Now scroll down this list, click add storage and click clear cache here. Back right now, click on force stop and click OK. You should come to Play Store or App Store and update Mortal Kombat. Now here restart your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and also subscribe in our channel. See you next video.